Okay, so we're on to tutorial 3. So we've got a Kodu in our world, and what I'm going to do quickly is just make the world slightly bigger. So you can paint the world using one of these, and I'm just going to go with the basic. If you want to make this flashing square any bigger, you can just use the arrow keys to make it bigger or smaller. I'm going to have it quite large, and I'm just going to make it just a little bit bigger, not too much, just slightly bigger, so he's got more place to roam around. And I'll just escape out of there. And what we're going to do is I'm going to add something called a rover, which is an object. It's a ground object, to be honest with you. So let's have a quick look. Right click, add object, and here's my rover. Now my rover, what I'm going to try and do is get my rover to move around on its own. I don't want me controlling the rover. I want the rover just to go round. So I'm going to program this rover, and if you have a look, when, let's say, the keyboard spacebar is pressed, I want it to move, and I want it to wander, to be honest with you. I just want it to go wherever it wants. So let's have a see if this works. So press play, got my Kodu moving, and I've hit the spacebar, and the problem is, though, if I take my finger off the spacebar, the rover kind of stops moving. Now I don't really want that, so I'm going to escape out, and I'm going to show you how to edit some of the scripts. So again, hit the Kodu, right click, program. I'm just going to get rid of these tiles, so I'm going to click on the tiles, and if I press the delete button, it just gets rid of that. So hopefully this time when I start it, the rover kind of moves around on its own. I'll press escape, press play. There we go, here we go. We've got Rover who just does what he wants, to be honest with you. Goes where he wants, does what he wants. So we've got two ways to actually make things move here. We've got a random movement of a rover, and we're controlling the Kodu. In the next tutorial, let's do something a little bit better. Let's see if we can get Kodu to fire missiles at the rover.